Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Bynta jong gajing rakhe ka jubilee ksiar ka Synod College ka Pynlong ka science exhibition hakba saupusan Tylli ki Skul bat ki college ki lawan ban Bynta nakaling ka East Khas Hills district bat nakibai ki district ki Bamarjan hagani ki sngi ki Skul bat ki college ki Pyn iya shibun ki jinglap bathamai ka bakilap haki phang ki bapher ki bulabu haki hagani ki sngi umintri ka tanat puliputhi ubala ka menremboi ulalong kumu kongsan habakran hagani ki sngi nakaling umintri ubala ka menremboi ulaong baga syong haki samla kumnu ki yo ajingmut ki bathamai ban ngi bat ban jiet deladi ki e ki bhatam ulaong ba ai baga jabieng jongki kan jiet baga ne habe de baga jingkiu haki kor ki bor jong ngi juk Bynta nak Bynta ka jingmentoi bat jong kalawi banwan shu ba rembui ulaong ba bo ka jinglam jong mentri rang ba ka jila ukon rat sangma kidan ka jingtmu ban aila de ki bagan Shim ka kabu ban pintbet yeladi ngitip baga don ka jinga pher omtang ha ka puliputhi Hendai haka jing tebet haki kor ki bor ulaong ru ba ukmen bahagi ki hanyos nam umintri rang ba ula persyang ban pet habaro ki liang lakade haka puli puthi haka kot ka khya ba haki we ki Bynta bat ong ba Bynta kani kan long jing hikai yaki nakliang umintri ula jungo ru ki jing pen i jongi khna Skul ban college bantuat jingmut ru naki halor ka jingmut jongi jing pen i nam ki ba ki pen i
I Shigila Commander declare that the Science Fest 2005 organized by the Synod College under this Diamond Jubilee celebration is open, declared open. Thank you very much.
Which goes invasively to convert it into wiki. And the process is very easy, does not harm the environment, it's very cost effective, and even students can.
Raised in your head by us. So with your innovation, with your theologians, know-how, who knows, in the future.
May I have attention? I request all the teachers. Offering is salat. Good salat. One minute.
whether that is real or that is true or what it is then. So it is up to you how to innovate, to see and choose yourself what is the best. Let your mind sustain the advent of technology. Let your mind could sustain the advent of digital knowledge for your own benefit and for the benefit of the future. My dear friend, we, the government of Meghalaya, under the leadership of Conrad K. Sangma of our Honorable Chief Minister, we have a plan. We have different skills to give an opportunity for you to explore, for you to take an opportunity, and for you to equip yourself with all these things which happen around us. We know in Meghalaya there is so much a skill gap. Not only education gap, a skill gap is there. Technological gap is there. Communication gap is there. That's why health deficit is there. We have our own deficiency. But I'm very happy that in the last 7 years, that our Honorable Chief Minister, he has tried to address all the issues, whether in education, healthcare, communication, skills, upskills, environment, and so on and so forth. But it is that initiative of the government will not be useful if you, me, as a stakeholder, will not make use of it. Let this science fair, which you are conduct today, let this science, technology, and innovation for sustainable development, this theme will edge our mind how to think, how to use, how to innovate, and how to sustain ourselves for the better future. God bless you. Thank you very much.